Let's see how to add Yahoo account on your MacBook. The thing is very simple. You just head it to Safari app first or any browser you usually use and click the search and type Yahoo Mail, search and open Mail. Okay, once you see this page, you need to click File and Add to Dock, this option. And you just assign any name as per your wish. I just rename this to Yahoo Mail, something like that, and add. That's it. Now Yahoo Mail app is downloaded on your MacBook. Here you can see. Just open that. So here you can see. Now just type your Yahoo Mail address on this search. Make sure like this, you need to enter your full mail address at yahoo.com and make sure this option stay signed in tick. Next, enter the password and click on next. Now just scroll down. If the two-step verification turned on, we need to complete that. I just use the push notification. So I just enter the code and next I use the Gmail option and allow. And I just cancel that and skip this for now. So fingerprint, I don't need that. Yeah, that's it. It's added. So finally, your Yahoo Mail is added. Here you can see those things. So here you can see the profile and you can manage the account, everything. So this is how you need to add your Yahoo Mail on your MacBook. And if you want to know more videos about Yahoo, you need to watch this playlist.